In this episode, I will indulge you with my favorite thing to do between film takes and producing for YouTube while in Italy. It's my favorite hobby, cooking. Cooking represents so much for me and really brings my strongest values together, which is time together with family and friends. It's also a creative outlet that gives me so much pleasure. So come along, let's get cooking. My favorite snacks. This is the beautiful thing about late in the year. You get the dried figs. They fill it with one almond and they preserve it with the bay leaf. It's delicious. So, what a wonderful moment of abundance to be here. After all the shopping, what do I cook with it all? This is luxury for me. I'm gonna make a lentil soup that a lady taught me here many years ago. Done. See, when a few of them break like this, it's done. Let's take this out. Cooking has been an important part of the years that I've spent here, closely connected to the friendships that I've built.
Now, this channel is about building homes, and of course, it will always mainly mean literally just that, building of walls, floors, and ceilings. But building a home is also the time spent together between the building, around the table, on the beach, and perhaps on a boat. So occasionally you will see some episodes where I'll share some simple recipes. I hope that you enjoyed it. See you next time.